So now let's have some interesting discussion. The topic name is I am going to tell you. Everyone should speak up, okay, clearly. Everyone should speak fluently because this topic is very interesting topic. Earlier I have given this discussion, and once I am giving okay again because I want you to speak this topic, and everyone should explain about this topic. You take what's your topic?
Money, sir.
Yes. So they speak in favor of money, you speak in favor of time. Money versus time. Today debate is money versus time. Everyone should debate about this topic. Very interesting topic. Okay, all of you speak clearly, all of you speak fluently, and do not think about mistake. When you are speaking something, don't think about mistake, because if you think about mistake, you cannot speak English, you can't explain okay fluently. So this is what I would like to say. So which side would you like to start? Who would you like to start? Which side? Okay, so anybody please. Anyone can start. Yes. Anybody can start. Yes. Money. Yes.
Hello, for you. Today I would like to tell about money.
Hmm.
I am Maningappa. And nowadays money is most important because you go to any side, money, people takes money, and you purchase anyone, you
Hmm.
need money.
You purchase anything.
Anything need money,
Hmm.
and you go to school and college, and you take admission, need money, because nowadays money is most important. I think money is nowadays very very much and most important because money is most important.
Very fantastic point. I really appreciate your point. So Merling is telling that money is most important. Okay, if you want to purchase anything, you need money. To take admission, you need money. To get higher education, you need money. So without money, you cannot fulfill your desire. It's his point. Next, I will come back to your team. So what's your opinion? So anybody? Yes.
Good morning, everyone.
Hmm.
Today I am talking
Speak up. Speak up. Raise
today I
your
am
voice.
talking about importance of time.
Okay.
According to my opinion, time is very important.
Then money.
Then money.
Okay.
And time without time, we can't achieve anything.
Okay.
And money comes return, but time never comes return.
Okay.
That's the important of time.
Hmm.
And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar don't have money.
He did not
He
have
did
money.
not have money.
Very good.
But he achieved a lot.
Good.
That's why time is very important for our.
Yes. Very good. So she is telling that time is more important than money. Means she has given example about Ambedkar. Ambedkar did not have a lot of money, but he had time. So he knew how to manage the time. He knew how to utilize the time. He had utilized his time. That's why he succeeded in his life. So because of money, he did not succeed. Because of time, he succeeded. So it's her point. Next, I will come back to your team. Please, yes, your opinions. Yes, and one thing I tell you, same person cannot speak again and again, and this is the second time. And yes, you can take one chance. Next time, next
I
candidate.
don't agree with your point.
Hmm.
Your point is actually 100% right. Right.
Wait.
This is 19th century. That is. This is 21st century. Because this is only money. You can need money. You can purchase anyone.
Anyone, not anything. Yes.
You take example Elon Musk, Mukesh Ambani, Adani, and Bill Gates.
You told Elon Musk.
Stand up.
Elon Musk also give importance to time. Don't give importance to
Elon
money.
Musk.
Her worker
How
said.
much money are Elon Musk paid?
Her worker said that work will finish in 7 days, but he finished within 1 day. Her work because of time.
His work, not her work. Elon Musk is yes. Okay, fantastic.
People coming and you ask how much
No,
money
Elon
and how
Musk
much time.
said time is very important than money.
No, money is most important.
Mhm.
People ask money at time nowadays.
Yes.
People ask money at time.
You have time means you can earn money. Without time, how can you earn money?
No. You go to anyone's side, you purchase a plot.
Yes.
You give money at the time.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Anyone,
Very nice, interesting discussion. Very
You give money at
fantastic.
time.
You go to college. Why you go to college? You
You go to college because
give money and you sit in home.
yes, nowadays this is 100%. Because
What is 100%?
Private college, sir.
Okay.
Take admission and you sit in home, sir.
Hmm.
Because power of money, sir.
Hmm.
And it's like online course, sir. Give money and take online course and you grow most.
No. Yes, don't discuss, please. Yes.
Because
Okay.
money is most important, sir.
Yes.
Nowadays.
Yes.
So no, sir. Time is most important.
You.
Give one example.
Yes.
Elon Musk. He.
Elon Musk.
Yes. Yes. Continue, please.
He give importance to time, not for money.
Ah.
A lot of money at time. Elon Musk. Oh, he was famous.
See,
What?
actually,
He was famous.
okay, means you have given example about Elon Musk, and because of money, he is famous, he is popular,
Yes, sir.
and he is very okay. Famous right now. He is talking about, but actually, means when he wanted to achieve something in his life, and he had first time. Okay, he gave much importance for time, so he
Yes,
utilized
sir.
his time. First, he utilized his time. Later, he became very, successful. Later, he made money.
First you
He did
utilize
not have
sir.
money. He had very less money. He did not have money, and he utilized his time. There, later, he succeeded.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Nowadays money has got time.
Okay. I don't know. Just you have to debate. Yes. Next, have you finished your point? Okay. Next. Next candidate. Yes. You speak up. Soumya. Only one point. I don't allow you to tell more point. Only one point.
Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to speak about money.
Speak up. Raise your
I think
voice.
money is very important
Ah.
in this generation.
Yes.
Without money, we can't buy anything.
Mm.
We can see things, but we can't buy.
Mm.
If we have a lot of money, means we can give money to poor people.
Yes.
We don't waste money.
Yes. Very good. Okay. See here. She doesn't agree with all of you. She is telling that money is more important than time. If we have a lot of money, we can buy whatever we want, or we can go wherever we want. Okay, we can even help other people who do not
If
have
we
money,
have time,
and
then also
time
we
is
have
more
to-
important than money. She is telling. Okay, so you have to reply her. Anybody
So
can
if we
reply.
have time means then that also we help
Ah.
sir, for poor people, sir. If you don't have time means
I don't know. I
we
don't.
are
You,
busy
you
work,
don't
sir.
tell me. You should tell her. Okay, she has spoken to you. You have to speak to her. Yes.
Nowadays, money is
Stand up and talk. Stand up and talk.
I don't agree your point.
Hmm.
Nowadays, money destroys people.
Hmm.
Anyway, people's anything do for money,
Hmm.
it is very harmful for people.
Hmm.
And if they are not giving importance of family,
Hmm. Hmm.
that's why
Hmm.
money is not important.
Exactly. Okay. So her point is there are some people, they are ready to do anything for money. Okay, they are ready to do anything for money, whether it is good or bad. They don't think, because they want money. They want to earn money. They want to make money. They want to get money. Okay, so we can say one example recently in Bidar. Okay, and two robbers. They have actually robbed the ATM. Okay, they have killed the person, and they have taken money. They escaped, and this kind of incident are taking place because of money. Because of time, okay, there is no any incident. Because of money, there are many incidents. Okay, there are many bad incidents. If you have a lot of money and someone makes plan, okay, to attack you, someone makes plan to snatch money from you, someone makes plans, okay, to take money from you. Okay, so like this. But if you have a lot of time, nobody makes any plans. Nobody takes time for from you. Nobody takes nobody snatch time from you. So that's why money is not actually good. Time is very good system. Next. Yes, of course.
Good morning, everyone.
Hmm.
Today
Today I speak about time.
Today I speak in favor of time.
Today I speak in favor of time.
Okay.
Time
All
is
of you understand his point.
time is important because you, whenever you go,
Hmm.
you you are
Past.
your time not waste, and you read some books,
Okay.
read read books and newspapers.
Yes.
You have a lot of time, and you have money. You purchase someone's. You waste up your money.
Okay.
You read books and you take a class. You not waste time. That's why time is very important.
Very nice. Okay. I really appreciate your point. Wow.
I'm not agree with you.
I don't agree with you.
I don't agree
Listen,
with you.
listen, listen.
Without money, how can you purchase books and
Ah.
how can you read?
Without
Wow.
time, how can you earn money?
You stand up and argue. Stand up. Don't sit and tell. Yes.
Without time, how can you earn money? That money comes simply.
Amount.
Ah. Yes.
Time is God gifted. That
Money
comes.
is also my gift.
Okay. Yes. Point to point you speak. One example you tell and let her reply. Yes.
Money is very important because suppose in your family is suffering for any health issue.
Okay.
You go to hospital. You give our money and time.
You go to government hospital, we give free treatment.
Government has also amount use.
Okay.
First, for tablets.
Tablets.
You say doctor, sir.
If they have time, means then also
Listen to
it
me.
may
Listen to me.
Listen to her. Listen to her.
You
Listen.
say doctor, I give time and you checked my patient. You say
If doctor has time, then
Complete
also
your
doctor
point. Complete.
check
You
your-
don't allow her to speak. Yes. Please continue. Continue. Yes. You don't stop if someone if she's talking. You have to complete your point. Listen to me. You have
If
to
a
say.
person come heart attack, he is not having time means he will die. He is having money, then also he don't live.
when have some man heart attack, and go to hospital.
He don't have time means he die.
No. When you have lots of money and give
Then
the
also he
doctor,
die.
they also they don't die.
Okay.
You have some money, you also
No,
the
my
man died
uncle only
Okay.
died.
because of money is a power. You don't know.
Yes.
Money.
Yes. She doesn't know meaning of money. Very fantastic. Very nice. Okay.
You also
Means
don't know
actually you
about
need to
time.
understand. You need to understand her point. She's telling that money is more important than time. Money is more valuable than time. Because
Why you
if one
Why you
example,
came here?
actually you
I
need
came
to
because of my time.
Why you are giving money, no?
You are also giving time, no?
I give money.
No, I
Yes.
am giving money.
No, this is time.
This is money.
This
Yes.
is time.
No, actually, you stand up and speak. Stand up. Okay. Who are, because of money, she has joined here. Means
Because of
explanation.
money, you don't
Okay.
have
One example. According to my opinion, money is more important than time. One example I would like to say. I have money. And that's why I come to spoken English. I join here. I am attending classes. I am learning English because of money. I have money, so I join any courses. Okay, like this. You have to explain about it. You have to give some explanation. Only money is important for admission. Money is very important for shopping. Money is very important for buying things. Only in one sentence you don't finish. You have to give your explanation. You have to elaborate your example like this. Yes. Please. If suppose you are giving example about money or time, you tell proper one example, complete at least 5 to 10 sentence. Next. Yes.
We are giving money, they are also giving to knowledge. You are giving time, they are giving to knowledge.
Yes. Why do you go to school? You don't waste time and you waste time and go to school.
Okay.
You waste money and go any.
If you want to make your point, stand up and make. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Why do you go to
Why?
school daily?
Because of knowledge.
You waste time and you go to school
Bhavan,
5
you
hours.
make
I'm
one
not
point.
wasting
One
time.
point you tell.
You are
Stand up.
wasting time.
Hmm.
You waste money and go to trip another.
Hmm.
You waste money whole day, sit in home and waste money.
Yes.
Why you are going to
Then why
school?
you are going to college?
Because of time.
How
Yes.
much is
How much fees? 1 lakh you have given to
You also
college?
come to college now?
1 lakh
Okay.
you have given.
Yes.
You
If
also
you
come
see
here
see
because of
here,
time.
see here, if you want to join any college, first you go to college, you take admission, you pay the fees, you pay the exam fees, you pay the college fees, you pay van fees, you pay book fees, you pay uniform fees. You have spent a lot of money. And if you do not have money, you cannot get higher education. That's why money is more important. You tell like this. Only one sentence you don't finish. You have to give example. Yes.
You only have money.
Ah.
You don't have time. Means how you can earn or how you can do other activities.
Yes.
With the help of money I can do.
I can
How?
do. Be- How means I will show you when you come my house how I will do. Yes. Yes. Very good. Next, please have your seat. Next debater. So I would like to invite Samir. You get up. Yes, Samir, make a one point. Why time is important? You make next. Samir, opposite or is one? Yes. Please get up. Only one point. Any one, two or three.
Hello, good morning everyone.
Hmm.
Today I speak about time, favor of time.
In favor of time.
Time.
Ah.
Time is very important in our life
Yes.
because
Hmm.
time is
Ah. Yes. No, you don't. Don't ask anybody. You can talk yourself. Yes. Please.
never comes.
If we lose time,
If we lose time,
it never comes in our life.
it come use
In our life.
in our life.
That's why.
That's why
Ah.
time is very important in our life.
Very good. Next. Next. Make one point.
Good morning everyone.
Hmm.
I'm just
Do you agree with him or not? Do you agree with Samir or not?
I don't
You don't talk, please. Don't talk. Yes. Yes. I don't agree with Samir. Start your discussion.
agree with you
Because.
because you told time is not come. Time is come next day, next month. Money is not come.
Money doesn't come.
Money doesn't come. Time come. No, money is not come.
Hey, stand up and argue. Stand up and argue. How can you say money doesn't?
Time is come.
Yes.
Money is come. But time is not come.
Let them discuss.
I already finished it.
Let them.
Time is not come. Money is come. Money is not come. Time is come.
You say only money is not come, time is come. Money is not come, time is come. Okay. Just you have to extend your points. You have to extend your explanation, please. Okay. Have you finished? Sit down. Next. Next, Sneha, you make your point. Why money is very important? You just argue. Yes.
Hi, good morning everyone.
Keep your pad.
Today I would like to speak about the importance of money. Money is the most.
If you speak loudly, it will be better, so we can hear whatever you speak.
Money is most important. Everyone work for money.
Yes.
You have time. We don't have money. We go. College.
Listen.
You go to college. Take to admission. We don't have money. You take time. How to take admission. You give money. You take admission. You
Okay.
don't have money. You don't take admission.
Yes.
Go to school, college, and learn. Money is important.
Very nice. Fantastic. Okay. So next, So according to my opinion, money is more important than time, because I want to tell one example. If I want to start one business, I need money. Okay, without money I cannot start business. So suppose I have planned to start one business, it's my goal, okay, it's my ambition to start business. First I need to, okay, know my bank balance, how much money I have, okay, how much money I need to start business. Okay, if I want to start business and I have to invest a lot of money, I have to spend a lot of money. So for business I need to buy lots of products, I need to hire employees, I need to do lots of manufacturing or something. I have to invest a lot of money for business. That's why money is more important than time. Next, it's my opinion. You tell example like this. Next, Bhavan, you get up. I help you get. Yes. Your
Good
point.
morning, everyone.
Today
Today
I speak about
I speak about
in favor of
in favor
Right.
of time.
yes, not money, time.
Money.
Yes.
Time.
Please, you don't do it. Don't
She
do it.
asked the time, sir. What's it time?
You means you
Money.
stop doing.
Money asked
Okay.
Very
Ah.
important.
Okay.
And exam timetable. And it was waiting for
Time. Yes. If you just you go and ask, you go and ask a person
You go
and ask person
and ask person
who missed the bus.
who missed bus.
He tells importance of time.
He tell
He tells importance of time.
important time.
You go and ask a student
You go ask a student
who failed SSLC.
who failed SSLC.
He tells importance of time.
He important time.
He tells
He tells
importance of time. You go and ask person
You go ask person
who missed the train.
who missed
He
train.
tells importance of time.
He
He tells
tells
importance of time.
important of time.
That's why
That's why
time is more important than money.
time more important.
Time is more important
Time is more important
than money.
than money.
If we have time,
If have time,
if we have time,
we have time,
we can read,
we can read,
we can write,
we can write,
we can study,
we can
we
study,
can attend classes,
we can attend classes,
we can travel to any countries,
we can
travel to any countries,
travel and
we can enjoy.
we can enjoy.
But if we do not have time,
But
we do not have time,
we could,
if we do not have time,
we
if
if
we don't have time,
don't have time,
we can't enjoy.
we can't enjoy.
That's why
That's why
I don't agree with all of you.
I don't agree with you.
With all of you,
With all of you,
time is
time is
more important.
more important.
Yes. Next, very fantastic. Yes, Menuka, she wants to make one point. After that, I'll come back to you. Yes, yes.
I not agree with you.
I don't agree with you. How many times not agree? Okay, broken
I
English,
don't
correct
agree with
English.
you. Because if you want money, you can enjoy. If
Wait,
you
wait,
have
wait.
money, you enjoy it. And if you have money, you go to outside and
Priya will reply.
look the outside nature how it is. If you have time, how can you go outside and how can you see? You can have you ever seen Taj Mahal?
Yes, yes.
You don't see Taj Mahal. So if you have money, you go to
Exactly.
outside and see Taj Mahal how it is beautiful. So money is very important.
Yes, very nice point. Yes. You want to reply? Yes.
I don't agree with you.
Wait, let him reply. If you sit, it will be better.
You have
Yes.
money. You have money. You want time. You
No, don't do like that.
Mobile
Mobile is there.
You have money, but you don't have time. How you go see Taj Mahal?
When you have money, you also have time.
Ah.
When you have time,
Ah.
you don't have money.
You busy and have money.
Ah.
How you go
Wait,
to
wait, wait. Only two members. Get up and argue. Next.
sir? You have money. You not time how you go to see places?
I have money. I also have time.
You earn money. You have time. You have no time. You earn only money.
You are busy in earning
Yes, sir.
money.
Yes,
You don't have time to visit Taj Mahal.
Yes.
No.
Okay.
We have money.
You have money. I agree. But you don't have time.
Yes.
How you go and see some places?
I
Wow.
have actually time. I have time.
You no time because you have earning money.
Very fantastic point. I really appreciate your point. Yes.
I don't agree with your point.
Yes.
If you don't have money, how you go? You don't have money. How you go?
Yes.
Yeah.
You walk and go.
You don't have time means how you can come here?
Today is time.
You are late today. From 7:30, you don't see time only. That's why you come late.
You don't have only half an hour later.
Big insult. Big insult.
You don't have money, how you go outside and how purchase it? You purchase things and you cook food and you eat. You
Yes.
use time and
If
you eat.
we give time means
You,
then
you,
also
you,
we
you stand up. You stand up, please. You stand up
If we
and
have time means I cook.
You cook time or food.
yes.
You
No.
buy time or food.
No, she cooks food. Why should she
Yes.
cook? She cooks food. You tell her I don't
I
cook.
cook food.
You cook food.
Hmm.
Food purchase.
If you
the
have
money.
time, if you have money, you eat money only.
No. I have money. I purchase things and I cook food and eat.
Cook food and eat. So cooking, you need time.
Yes.
Okay, so if you want to buy vegetable, you
If
need
you
time.
want to do Maggie, you need 2 minutes.
I give money.
No.
No. I give money and automatically the Maggi comes.
Automatically comes
How can
Maggi.
it come automatically?
I give money automatically.
No. For eating, you need time.
Yes.
For eating, you need time. Without time, how can you eat?
Without money, how can you purchase?
Yes, masala.
First thing purchase, then you eat.
Yes.
Listen here.
You don't.
Listen
you don't
to
need
me.
food, you only
Listen
need
to me.
time. Okay.
Listen to
You
me.
also eat only money. You
Listen
don't
to me.
eat.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Ah.
First you should purchase or eat.
You told
You-
you purchase and cook and eat. For
No.
cooking, you need
Ah.
time.
You first purchase and cook or eat.
Stand.
Yes.
You purchase and you cook it
Ah.
and eat.
Purchase means gives money and takes it. First money,
Ah.
then time.
Yes.
Because money is important.
Very yes. He has completely demolished your debate. Please. He destroyed your debate. Next. 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 Firoz, 1 point. Get up. Get your point. Get up. And here's go. Next, he's opposite as Samir. Next, or anybody, your team. Everyone, I help you. Get up. 1 point. Only 1 point. Don't speak. Yes, please. Let him speak. Yes. You sit properly, please. Style.
Money is very important to our life. You come, you go to college and take an admission.
No. You don't sit like that. Yes.
Take an admission and exam fees.
You pay exam fees.
You need money and you purchase car and
Wow.
bike also you need money.
Yes. Listen. Okay.
People ask you have money. You there is here.
Yes. They respect you.
They respect you.
Very nice point. Very well. Yes. So, yes. She wants to reply. Okay. She wants to respond.
Every second also very important in our life.
You speak up, Priya. I can't hear you. Speak up. Yes.
If you have money, many people come with you. If you don't have money, no one comes with
Okay.
no one comes with you.
Okay.
And time teaches us to how to live in the world,
Okay.
and
Hmm. Hmm.
10 years ago
10 years ago,
there is no money.
there was no money.
There was no money.
Okay.
People gives species to another people, and what they need they takes for them. There was no money.
Okay.
They are lived like this.
Means you are talking about 10 years back, there was no money. There was no money 10 years back.
So 100 years or 300 years.
100 years, 200 years, 300 years, there was no money.
So people lives
People
lives
without people
money.
used to live without money.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If
what they need. They
Exchange and
they used to take from other people and they used to share.
yes, sir.
Okay, without there was no any money.
yes.
Okay. No, actually we are not talking about 400 years ago, 500 years ago. We are talking about presently. Present money is important or time is very
Money.
important. We are talking about it right now. Okay. Means if you are giving example 400 year, no, we are not okay 400 year old people. Just present you have to give example. Very nicely that guy has spoken about importance of money. Okay, he has given example. He told if we have money we can buy whatever we want. If we have money we can buy car. If we have money we can buy house. If we have money we can buy whatever we want. If we have money we can actually purchase. If we have money we can get better education. If we have money we can get better medical treatment. If we have money we can get better so with the help of money we can fulfill our desire. With the help of money we can achieve whatever we want. With the help of money we can accomplish whatever we want. With the help of money we can take a better coaching. With the help of money we can lead our happy and healthy life. With the help of money we can enjoy with our family. With the help of money we can actually go anywhere, wherever we want we can go and we can enjoy. That's why money is everything and money is very important. So if we have money everyone respects us. Suppose I don't have money, if we do not have money, people do not respect us. Okay, people will ignore, and it is his point, I don't know. So you have to reply him. So time is more valuable than money. Next, your team, please. Very interesting, all are talking very well. Yes, anybody can reply. Yes, either Samir or Div. Yes, anybody, please. He has spoken already, and I will come back. Only one point you have to speak, don't explain. Yes. Yes.
Sir, if we have time means we spend time with our family.
Okay.
And we can enjoy.
Okay.
If we have time, we can get knowledge, sir. If we don't have time means we can't take knowledge also, sir.
Okay.
A person has become 40-year-old. How can he take knowledge, sir?
Okay.
His
Okay.
age has gone, sir.
Okay.
They are telling time comes again and again, but
Hmm.
time don't come again and again.
Okay. Okay.
Money will come
Hmm.
again and again, sir.
Yes.
In
Yes.
our life, sir.
Yes, we can earn money.
By
Ah.
giving time.
Okay. Yes.
If
Very
we do
well.
hard work means we get money, sir.
Ah.
But if they do hard work, then also they don't get time, sir.
Okay. That's why.
Time is important.
Very good. Next. Your point. Yes. Please. Anybody can. She spoke in favor of importance of time. She is supporting importance of time. She is telling that time is everything. We have to need time. Next, your point. Anybody can. Yes. Yes.
I don't agree with your point.
I don't agree with your point. You said.
I tell one truth, sir.
Okay. You tell one story.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please. You don't take much time.
And it is you some health issue,
Hmm.
and you go to hospital.
Hmm.
Poor people, you don't money.
Hmm.
You don't money.
People do not have money.
You don't have money. Poor
Okay.
people.
Ah.
It is a general ward.
Okay.
And people's money, he
Ah.
go to AC room.
Ah.
And he is a lot of doctors.
There are lots of doctors.
One
Ah.
patient,
Ah.
5 to 4 doctors.
Okay.
4 to 5 doctors.
Okay.
He is general ward.
Ah.
30 people, only one nurse.
Yes.
No doctors.
Yes.
Only one nurse handled with 30
Yes.
patient.
Okay.
AC room.
Hmm.
there are rich man.
Yes.
He's a lot of money.
Yes.
Because he's
Because they give time and they learn
No, no,
no.
and they become
lot of
doctor.
money.
Ah.
Because he's 4 to 5 lakhs. One
Very-
patient.
Ah.
His body is
Ah.
life is important because you give money,
Ah.
life is automatic come.
Yes.
Comes
Yes.
No.
Very well, very well, very well.
Money
Okay,
point.
fantastic, well done. Okay, you spoke very
Sir,
nicely. Yes,
I don't agree
fantastic.
with him, sir.
I really appreciate his point.
I don't
Yes.
agree with him, sir.
Explain why you don't agree. You should tell him. Yes,
Sir, he
don't.
told if we give money, we get time, sir. We
Time
get
not
life, sir.
no time not. He told if we have money, we can get better treatment.
No, sir.
Ah.
He told if we have money,
Ah.
we get life, sir.
Of course, we
No,
get
sir.
yes, life returned to us. Okay, if for example, if any person met an accident, his condition is very critical and he's very serious, and he goes to hospital, he pays the money, and doctor treats. What are you doing? Doctor treats.
Sir, if
A doctor
he
treats
has
the
time,
patient.
then also he
Ah,
has, sir, if
doctor
he
treats
has
the
money
patient.
also,
And doctor will try to save the patient. Doctor will show. If patient doesn't pay the money, doctor cannot save the patient. That's why money is very important. He made his point. Yes, you
Sir,
can
if
reply. Two members. Yes, of course. Okay, you speak up. 3 members or 2 members?
5 members.
Only yes.
Sir, if he has the time, then also he go to hospital, sir.
Oh.
A person, sir.
Okay, you should tell him. I don't know. Yes, I just I'm giving example. Yes.
If he has time, then also he go to hospital. If he has money, he simply. Sir,
Okay.
if you keep money, if one person has an accident, sir,
Okay.
her money has fall down, sir.
Yes.
A person's take and go money, sir, but they don't take and go persons. into
Wow.
hospital, sir.
Very nice. Yes.
I don't agree with you.
Yes.
You have a lot of money, you have some help issue. You
Ah.
call ambulance, you purchase phone and you call ambulance. You don't have money, you don't have phone.
No.
How you call ambulance?
She doesn't purchase money. She takes someone mobiles. She takes that Samir mobile and she asks
Sir, how do you get and walk, sir? He's
what?
he comes, sir. He's some health, sir.
Ah.
He sleeps, sir.
Ah.
How to get up and how to walk, sir? Someone said.
She walks.
No,
She
no.
legs. She has legs. She has hands.
Critical,
She
sir.
has.
No, sir.
Ah.
Critical, sir. This is more.
Why you are taking for my example? I don't give this to this person.
Ah. Sneha, you've been sitting silently. You have to make one point. Yes. Sneha will make one point. Yes.
And you go to hospital
Ah.
and
Sir, he is taking my example, sir. Why I go to hospital,
Yeah,
tell them,
Hey, why should she go to hospital? She's okay.
yes, sir. One person
Ah.
go to hospital.
Ah.
Doctor,
Like
sir,
this you tell.
Doctor, sir, you take tablets, sir,
Ah.
and you pay bills, sir. First you pay bills, sir. 1 lakh.
Sir, he is taking
Bills,
your
sir.
example, sir.
No. Let him give. Let him.
One is important. You and me more, no important. And first you pay bill and
Listen.
then start treatment, sir, doctor, sir.
Yes.
First you pay.
No, I got your point, Mr. Marling. Yes, I have understood your point. You have spoken and you have given very very good argument. Please have your seat. I have got your point. Yes.
I don't agree with you. You tell the doctor first pay bill and I start treatment. Doctor tell you comes you 2 minutes late because you comes first. I treat him. At you comes late for 2 minutes. That's why you go away. And that's why time is important.
Okay, means if you are late, doctor doesn't treat you because doctor says, "Oh, I am sorry. I am sorry to tell you, you are late. You are already late. I cannot save you. You are patient. I cannot treat your patient."
They have
So
a lot of minutes, sir.
yes.
Not time.
But they can't actually save their patient.
Yes, sir.
Very nice, fantastic. Okay, and I would like to request all of you to give us same example you don't give. Okay, we have to tell only doctor-patient example you are giving. Give some variety example. Yes, yes, and like that Firoz has spoken. Yeah, very like very next. Would you yes?
you want to see time means
Ah.
you need mobile or watches.
Yes.
You are,
Hmm.
you can.
They need watch. They need mobiles.
So he
They-
need mobile, he need what? So he
They
is
have
asking
money,
friends.
they can buy everything, no, sir.
If they want to see time means they need watch.
They need watch, sir,
Ah.
but they buy another people's and they give money and they buy, no, sir.
Hmm.
No,
So that's why
I don't know. You tell them. Ah. See,
Show
if
me
you
how much time is it?
ah,
It's 8:20.
yes,
Seeing in watch.
Ah.
No, I can't see.
yes. Fantastic. Means if they want to see time means they have to buy watch.
Mobiles.
Yes, and if they have to buy mobile or watch, they have to pay the money.
Money, sir.
Okay, if they pay money, they will get watch or time in mobile, and after that they can see. They are able to see time. They will try to shave time. Very fantastic. I really appreciate your point. You spoke well. Yes.
I don't agree with
Yeah. I don't agree with all of you. Means your team is only Priya is not actually giving more example. That guy, this Bhavan, only one person. No, next time I don't allow you. Otherwise you lose your points. Yes.
I don't agree with you.
Okay.
Time is important. You tell you see time you purchase a phone or watch.
Okay.
We have importance of time.
Hmm.
Time value. Time value. I know time value, sir.
Okay.
You doesn't know time value.
Yes.
That's why you purchase phone or watch.
Yes.
That's why time is important, sir.
Okay.
Not money, sir.
Very nice. Okay, I really appreciate all of you. I'd just I really very happy today. You spoke well. Yes. Yes. Sit in class position, please.